Hi, friends. It's so good to be with you this afternoon, and I'm so happy to be returning to Rowe Conference Center. Rowe is one of my most favorite places to go, and I just love the land there. I love the forest, and I love the gardens that they have and the orchard they have, and just the nature that's there. And it's such a wonderful place to come and talk about plants and plant consciousness and nature awareness. So I'm going to be returning at the end of April, the last weekend in April, and I'm going to share with you plants to keep us sane during insane times. And of course, we are living in times that are pretty challenging sometimes, but we have help, and we have help with the plants. They're here to help us. And so this is going to be a really just chock full weekend of working with plants and how they can help us manage ourselves during these very changing, sometimes very turbulent, challenging times. And so we're going to talk about plants like adaptogens, like fabulous adaptogens. And adaptogens are plants that help you with stress and help you to learn how to cope with the daily stress, long-term stress. And so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about our hearts and how we can be have plants that help us to go into coherent heart rate variability, which then helps release hormones like oxytocin. Oxytocin is a fabulous hormone we all need to know about because it helps us bond. It's the bonding hormone, and it helps us make the connection. And it also puts us into restoration. That brings us back to that place of balance where we can restore ourselves. And it's just a fabulous, fabulous thing to know about. So we're going to learn all about that. And we're going to have an opportunity to be outdoors and see what kind of plants are out there, see how we can connect in with nature, and how this can fill us full, how this can feed us on an emotional level, on a mental level, and on a spiritual level too. We're finding that during these times our spiritual beings are being damaged, I would say. It's, we're experiencing spiritual malnourishment. Our spirit fires are not being fed. And so we're gonna see how to do that with these beautiful, beautiful plants that we'll be working with this weekend. And we'll be learning how to make preparations with them. And we'll also be doing things like, how do we maintain ourselves just on a regular basis? What is it we can do, like each day, each week, each month, to keep ourselves sane and to keep ourselves healthy and to keep ourselves balanced during these very, very changing times. So this is an important one that I think you all will enjoy, and we'll have fun as well as learn a lot. So I hope that you can join us. I'm looking so forward to being there with you. Bye for now.